All right, we got some parts here. We got a March water pump, aluminum high flow. Nice. Summit starter. Looks pretty badass. I've used Summit starters before, so never had a problem. Got a Summit ignition system. Comes with a distributor, which I got the Vacuum Advance model. Comes with the multi-spark discharge box. Comes with a coil. Our coil in there. I got me some new rockers, Howard cams. These look pretty badass. I like them. Got some miscellaneous stuff over here. I got some lash caps. I want to use those. This is a crank turning nut. I got some new, I got studs for the timing cover because the bolts I got weren't long enough for the aluminum timing cover. Got a pointer for an 8-inch balancer, which is coming this week, a couple days. Got a fluid damper coming. I got the ARP head stud kit. It was only 50 bucks more than bolts, so I figured why not. Got Cometic 51,000 stick gaskets, which with my pistons sticking out about 6 thousandths, it should come to about 45 thousandths clear quench. I'm gonna try this. I never tried one of these before. One piece oil pan gasket. So I always want to try one. I never used one, so I got one of them. Intake gasket. I got these valve cover gaskets, which are pretty nice. They got the metal in the middle, so very reusable type thing. Got me a timing cover gasket, which you'd think a new timing cover would come in that, but you know. Got a nice. I'm doing mechanical with the fuel pump. This one's 130 gallons per hour. Says it's good up to 800 horsepower. And I got the push rod for the pump, which I had to get the one with the bronze end on it. If you can see that, for so it doesn't damage the roller cam. So there we go. Got some parts, pretty much everything. Pretty much everything to put the engine together. Minus an alternator and some alternator brackets. I got pulleys coming from Amazon, some cheap ones, for a short water pump. Single groove. And an alternator, and I got to figure out some of the carburetors. But yeah, here we go. Pretty much. Engine's going to be done soon. Have a good one.